This contender The rainforests of New Guinea are especially precious, home to 42 different kinds of birds of paradise, each more extraordinary than the last. This is a particularly rich forest, so the six-plumed bird of paradise has no problem finding food. He can concentrate on more important tasks, like tidying up his display area. He's obsessed with housework. Everything has to be spick and span.
Finally, the stage is set. It's a virtuoso performance. Unfortunately, no one was watching.
This contender is called the superb bird of paradise. This magician has a special trick. First, he advertises his show, calling to attract a female. With the audience in place, the show can begin.
She just has to have been impressed with that. She retires a little way off to consider her verdict. After all that effort, can she still have doubts? You can't help feeling deflated when even your best wasn't good enough.
%3 of our planet, 50% of its plants and animals. Nowhere is there more at stake.